I've got a little bet for you today. Take a second and think about the ad formats you're currently running on Meta. Got them in mind? Good. I'm willing to bet that at least 3 of the 7 most important formats for 2025 are not on your list. And that's exactly what we're going to change today. We're going to break down the 7 formats that will define your results next year. And for each one, I'll give you a concrete tip you can implement immediately. First up, authentic content. And I don't just mean typical UGC. Picture this, a founder speaking directly into their phone. No script, no expensive studio lights, just an honest message. It feels real because it is real. People buy from people. Real faces, real voices, real stories. This could be employees reporting from the warehouse, or it could be honest customer reviews reenacted as a video. My actionable tip for you: grab your phone today and film a 30-second video answering the most common question you get from customers. Upload it, put $20 behind it, and see what happens. In 2025, authenticity beats polished production every single time. Now imagine scrolling through your feed and suddenly seeing perfect order, a clean grid ad showing multiple products side by side, or laying out the benefits of your offer as a simple checklist. Our brain loves this. It feels relaxing because it turns chaos into clarity. That's why grid ads work so brutally well in e-commerce. They're especially great for fashion brands wanting to show a full outfit, or for meal kits displaying all the ingredients at a glance. My actionable tip: open Canva, search for photo grid templates, and just drag and drop 3 or 4 of your product images in. Write a clear headline like "Our bestseller set" above it. Done. You've just created a clean and extremely clickable ad. Format number 3 is pure psychology. Text-based ads. A bold, provocative line of text on a simple background. That's it. 50% off today only. Why does this work? Because it's a pattern interrupt. In a sea of glossy videos and photos, a simple block of text stands out. When done right, it can stop a scroll faster than any video. Let me know in the comments, what's the last text-only ad that's stuck in your memory? Every single store owner needs to know this one: dynamic product ads, or DPAs. Think of them as your personal shopping assistant that never sleeps. These ads automatically pull products from your catalog that a customer has already viewed but didn't buy, and shows them again in their feed. It's shocking how many brands still overlook this cash machine. My actionable tip: if you have an online store, go into your ads manager right after this video and check if your catalog campaigns are active and running correctly. Welcome to the future, which is basically the present. AI generated ads. Tools like Midjourney can create perfect backgrounds for your products in seconds. Need 10 variations of an ad with different backgrounds? That takes a few minutes, while your competition is still editing a single version. This is where speed meets scale. It's not a gimmick anymore. It's a real competitive advantage in 2025. This one is for the advanced marketers, but it's extremely powerful. Psychological marketing. Instead of just promoting your benefits, you directly address the fears, doubts, and complaints of your target audience. An ad headline like "Why this 1-star review is wrong," or using emotional trigger words like "regret" or "miss out." This works best when the founder themselves gets in front of the camera and honestly addresses these concerns. This way, you're not just selling a product, you're building trust that truly lasts. And the final format is the smartest of them all: brand formats. It's a mix of branding and performance. The idea is simple. You take your organic winners, the viral reel, the post with 100,000 views, and you put real ad spend behind it. You don't have to guess what works. You scale what has already proven to connect with people. It's authentic because it connected organically, and it's performance driven because you're putting a budget behind proven content. For the analysis, I also recommend a creative analytics dashboard. With it, you not only see which clicks and conversions are there, but also how good the hook was, meaning did you catch their attention, or the hold rate, did the user stay engaged? Or you can also see different marketing angles, because there are simply people who buy for different reasons. My actionable tip: look into your Instagram insights, filter for the reels with the highest reach in the last 90 days and promote the top one. It's that simple. So there you have it, the 7 formats that will dominate Meta ads in 2025. If you master these, you'll stop chasing trends and start building a system for consistent results. And now it's your turn. Which of these formats are you going to test first? Let me know down in the comments. And if this video was helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on more marketing tips. See you in the next video.